Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glass Tupperware is probably one of the most versatile and essential items you can have in your kitchen, offering a durable and safe way to store your leftovers, meal prep, and transport food without worrying about stains or lingering odors that often plague plastic containers. These containers are designed to go from the freezer to the oven to the table, making them incredibly convenient for busy households and anyone looking to simplify their food storage solutions with a reliable and eco-friendly alternative that maintains the freshness and integrity of your food. Number 5. SALIENT 18-piece glass food storage containers with lids. Introducing our 18-piece glass food storage container set. They are perfect for meal prep, packing lunches, storing leftovers, and organizing your pantry. Our containers feature easy-closing locking lids that create a reliable seal. This makes daily meal prep and food storage incredibly convenient. These durable glass containers are safe for use in the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Simply remove the lids before heating. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass and BPA-free lids, they resist stains and odors. Enjoy a durable and reusable food storage solution. Our stackable design helps you maximize space in your refrigerator, freezer, and cabinets. Keep your food neatly organized and accessible. These containers offer a practical solution for all your food storage needs. They are ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. What we like? These containers offer a great variety of sizes for all your food storage needs. They are made from durable borosilicate glass, ensuring longevity and resistance to stains and odors. If you are looking for a versatile set that can handle everything from meal prep to pantry organization, this is a solid choice. What people say. The glass is thick and sturdy, and the lids seal tightly, preventing leaks. The containers are microwave, oven, and freezer safe, making them versatile for meal prep and storage. They stack neatly in the cupboard, saving space. Number 4. MCIRCO 10-pack glass meal prep containers. This set includes 5 34 ounces and 5 13-ounce containers, perfect for preparing meals in advance. Save valuable time by cooking and freezing your favorite dishes for easy access later. Crafted from premium borosilicate glass, these containers are exceptionally durable. They transition seamlessly from the refrigerator to the microwave, oven, and even directly to your dining table. Our innovative snap-locking lids feature silicone seals, ensuring your food stays fresher for longer. Enjoy a leak-proof experience with lids designed for durability and ease of use. These containers are designed for your convenience. They are safe to use in the microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and oven, making meal preparation and cleanup a breeze. Featuring a smart, stackable design, these containers help keep your refrigerator, home, and kitchen tidy. Maximize your space and enjoy a more organized living area. What we like? This set provides a good mix of container sizes, perfect for portioning meals. The premium borosilicate glass is noted for its strength, offering enhanced durability. If you need reliable, leak-proof containers for your meal prep and want something that can go from fridge to oven, consider this option. What people say. The glass is thick and durable, and the lids seal tightly, preventing leaks. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. The stackable design saves valuable space in the refrigerator and cabinets. Number 3. Razab 6-piece square glass food storage containers. Meet the Razab 6-piece square glass food storage container set. It's designed to simplify your kitchen and meal prep needs. Our containers feature snap-lock lids with silicone seals, ensuring they are 100% airtight and leak-proof. This keeps your food fresh and prevents messy spills. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass, these containers are safe for use in the microwave, oven, and freezer. They are built to withstand temperature changes. Perfect for meal prepping, packing lunches, or storing leftovers, these reusable glass containers are designed for everyday use. They are a versatile addition to any kitchen. Maximize your kitchen space with their stackable design. These containers neatly stack on top of each other, helping you maintain a clutter-free environment. Cleanup is a breeze as these containers are dishwasher safe. Enjoy convenience without compromising on quality or functionality. What we like? With some very generous large sizes, this set is ideal for batch cooking and storing big meals. The lids are designed to be 100% airtight and leak-proof, making them perfect for transporting liquids like soups. If you frequently store or transport soups, sauces, or large portions, this set is a great fit. What people say. The glass is thick and durable, and the lids seal tightly, preventing leaks. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. The stackable design saves a lot of space in the refrigerator and cabinets. Number 2. NutriChef 24-piece glass food storage containers. Introducing a comprehensive 24-piece set designed for all your food storage needs. This collection includes multiple sizes and shapes, perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, and keeping snacks fresh. Crafted from premium borosilicate glass, these containers are built to last. They can withstand rapid temperature changes without warping or cracking, offering a reliable solution for storing both hot and cold foods. Enjoy peace of mind with these chemical-free containers. Unlike plastic alternatives, they won't leach harmful substances into your food. The lids are made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring a safe and healthy storage solution. These containers are incredibly easy to clean, as they are dishwasher safe. Plus, their stackable design allows for efficient storage, saving you valuable space in your kitchen. We stand behind the quality of our food containers with a 100% lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Experience the durability and convenience for yourself, risk-free. Effortlessly transition from freezer to oven with these versatile containers. They are designed to handle extreme temperatures, making meal preparation and storage simpler than ever. What we like. This extensive 24-piece set offers a wide array of sizes and shapes to suit any food storage requirement. The containers are made from high borosilicate glass, known for its resistance to temperature changes. If you want a comprehensive set with the added peace of mind of a lifetime satisfaction guarantee, this is the one to consider. What people say. The glass is thick and durable, and the lids seal tightly, preventing leaks. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. The stackable design saves a lot of space in my cabinets. Number 1. NutriChef 10-piece Superior Glass Food Storage Container Set. Introducing the NutriChef 10-piece Superior Glass Food Storage Container Set. This set includes 5 containers and 5 locking lids, perfect for all your food storage needs. Designed for meal prep, these containers are stackable and feature a BPA-free airtight seal with vents. Keep your food fresh and organized effortlessly. Crafted from high borosilicate glass, these containers can withstand rapid temperature changes. Transfer them from freezer to oven without worry of warping or cracking. Unlike plastic, our glass containers are chemical-free and environmentally friendly. You can safely place hot foods directly into them, as no harmful chemicals will leach into your meals. The innovative 4-snap leak-proof lid creates an airtight seal, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. The hinged lids technology makes them easy to open and close, ideal for on the go. Cleaning is a breeze as these containers are dishwasher safe. Their stackable and nestable design also saves valuable space in your kitchen. What we like. This set stands out with its innovative hinged lids featuring air holes, which can be useful for specific storage needs. The lids create a secure, airtight seal to keep food fresh. If you appreciate user-friendly features like easy open lids and are looking for a compact set for everyday use, this option is worth a look. What people say. The glass is thick and durable, and the lids seal tightly, preventing leaks. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. The stackable design saves a lot of space in my cabinets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.